cheesy mga pare. Greenwich Extreme Cheese Pizzas for men. New Philly Cheesesteak Overload with 2 times more cheese and half pound of roast beef. New Monster Cheese and Pepperoni Overload.
Meeting you for
Alam mo, susuotin ka daw ngayon taon.
Paano naman?
Kapag naging akin ka.
Ay! Sobrang keso!
It's overloaded extreme cheese pizzas. Overloaded with 2 times more cheese. New extreme cheese and sausage overload with a triple layer of sausages. New cheesy blockbuster overload with 8 blockbuster toppings. The new Greenwich overloaded extreme cheese pizzas.
Sobrang cheesy talaga!
Ay, minupok kalagya.
May lubi po, dyan po kalagya yan.
Apaka, doon kang pizza.
Ako, pizza, cheese na anda howe, na suro howe, na murga howe. Hi, pizza!
Ooh, nosebleed. Kahit hindi ko kayo naiintindihan, huwag na kayong mamagdema dahil sa Greenwich, merong new Garden Fresh Pizza na para sa lahat ng vegetarian.
Greenwich Vegetarian Pizza! Oh, mali, mali!